Make a great choice today with the 2015 GMC Acadia. The GMC Acadia is great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better highway fuel economy than any other 8-passenger SUV. Advanced technology and thoughtful ergonomics, the Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise. And it's priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: XM satellite radio, traction control, Bose sound system, quad seating, anti-lock braking system, power passenger seat, navigation system, all-wheel drive, heated seats. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.